Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, ChargeBee and Gmail. So the use case here is, whenever a new subscription is created in ChargeBee, we want Gmail to auto send the emails to customers. So let us know what these two software applications are. So ChargeBee is a subscription management system, whereas Gmail is used to send emails. The problem here is that ChargeBee and Gmail don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to send data from ChargeBee to Gmail. The best part here is you don't need to have any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and from here the product section I'm going to go to Pabbly Connect. Now let us sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed in to my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here I'd like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'll go down and here at Pabbly Connect, I am going to select Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now let us create a new workflow. So I'll give a name as ChargeBee to Gmail. So I'll create this. Okay, so now we want to integrate ChargeBee and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. So first we'll integrate ChargeBee with Pabbly Connect and then we'll integrate Pabbly Connect with Gmail. So I am going to choose ChargeBee over here, this one. So choose method, I have to select new subscription. You can select the other method as well. And if you want a new method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So let us connect with ChargeBee. So here you don't have to worry about this part. Come to New Credentials API key. So here you can read the instructions. Enter your API key and leave password field blank. To get the API key, log into your ChargeBee account, go to API keys and webhooks. Okay, so now let us go to settings and I'm going to go to configure ChargeBee. So let us scroll down. Here you can see API keys and webhooks. So I'll go to API keys. And let's create a new API key, full access key. So I'll name it as ChargeBee to Gmail. So I'll copy this one and let's go to Pabbly Connect and paste it. Okay, so password, as the instruction said, leave the password field blank. Site name, let's go to ChargeBee. So I'll select this part over here and I'm going to copy this, come back to Pabbly Connect and paste it. So I'll save this. Okay, so I'll click save and send test request. So here it is not showing me any response because I don't have any subscription in ChargeBee. So let us go to ChargeBee and create a new subscription. Okay, so I'll go to subscriptions and I'll create a subscription over here. Okay, so let me add a name, Ashi Rai. Email is ashirai824@gmail.com. Okay, so let me select a plan. Done. So I'll just create the subscription. Confirm. Okay, this is done. So now let's go to Pabbly Connect. So here save and send test request again. So now it has captured the data of Ashirai. Yes, you can see it over here. So I'll save it. Okay. Okay, so we have finished our first step, that is integration of ChargeBee and Pabbly Connect. Now we'll begin with our second step, that is integrating Pabbly Connect with Gmail. So I'll go down and here I'm going to click on this plus button. Okay, so now here I'm going to select Gmail. So here there are many methods available. I have to select send an email. So I'll select this. Okay, if you want more methods of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'll go and connect with Gmail. Okay, so now you don't have to worry about this credentials anymore. You can go and now connect with Gmail. So I'm going to connect it with Gary Monroe because this is the email from which I want to send the message. So I'll select this. Allow. You don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure. Okay, so authorization is successful. So here in recipient name, you have to enter the name to whom you want to send the email. So here when I entered the subscription, you can see Ashi Rai was the name of the customer and the email. So same I am going to enter it there. So let me map it. So name is Ashi Rai, email is this one. Okay. So from name, now from whom are you sending? So that I am going to fill on my own. Okay, so I am done with the name. Now email, let me add it. Gary Monroe 677@gmail.com. Okay, from this email address, the email will go. So email subject. So the subject is welcome to Charge B. So email message, hello. So I'll map the name. Okay. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, so I'm done with this. Now we'll save and send test request. Okay, so we have got the API response and here you can see sent. That means we have integrated ChargeBee with Gmail. So now let's go to Ashi Rai's Gmail account and see if she has received any email from Gary Monroe or not. So I have opened the Ashi Rai's Gmail account here. Yes, we have got it. You can see the email is from Gary Monroe. I have entered this here and we have got hello Ashi Rai, thank you for subscribing. This was the message that I wrote. You can see the subject line as well. So now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So now I'll go back to ChargeBee. Okay, and let us create a new subscription. So I'll create a subscription. So I'll enter the name Devin Parker. The email is parkerdevin289@gmail.com. Okay, so plan name, let it be scale. Okay, so now I'll create subscription. Confirm. Okay, so we have created a subscription for Devin Parker. Let's go and see in his email if he has got a message from Gary Monroe or not. So I have already opened the email of Devin Parker. So I'll just go to him. So yes, you can see a message from Gary Monroe. Hello Devin Parker, thank you for subscribing. So what would have happened? First, that information would have come from ChargeBee to Pabbly Connect, and then the information would have come from Pabbly Connect to Gmail. So now whenever there is a new ChargeBee subscription, emails will be sent automatically.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.